Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy a gift card on Ulta Beauty. If you don't have an Ulta account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the top right side of the screen. Click on the option that says Gift Cards. Then you will be directed to another page from which you will see an option for Buy Now. Click on Buy Now. Now, select for whom the gift card is. If it's for a friend, click on the tab that says A Friend, then enter their name and your name. However, if it's for yourself, click on the tab that says For Me. Then just click on Pick a Gift Card. After that, select the type of gift card, either digital card or physical card. The digital card is electronic type and will be sent through email, while physical gift card is basically the traditional card sent through mail. So in this video, I chose to buy a physical card, so I click on the Send a Physical Card button. But if you chose digital card, click on Send a Digital Card. After that, select the design of your gift card. You could also upload a customized photo by clicking on the option that says Upload your own photo. Then click on How much. Now select the amount and quantity. After selecting, click on Add a message. Here, you could add a personalized message, but it is just optional. After that, click on Where is it going? If you're also sending this gift card to a friend, enter the recipient's email both on the first and second field. You could also change the delivery date. However, if you're sending it to yourself, just skip this part. Then click on Add to Cart. Here, review your card. If it looks good, click on Checkout. Now on this page, enter your contact information such as your email and phone number. Also, enter your credit card information and billing address. After entering all the required information, click on Place My Order. That's how you buy a gift card on Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.